How to add a chroma key in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your green screen clip into the media pool and drag it onto the timeline. Then, add the background footage you want to use and place it on the video track below your green screen clip. This setup ensures the background becomes visible once the green screen is removed. Next, head over to the color page by clicking the color tab at the bottom of the screen. You will see your clip in the viewer and several grading tools below. In the Nodes tab, right-click and select Add Alpha Output. Then, connect the blue dot from your node to the alpha output. Now, go to the Qualifier tool, which looks like an airdropper icon. Use the eyedropper to click on the green area in your footage. After that, you'll notice some changes. Click on the Invert tab, and you'll instantly see the green screen removed with your background showing through. Next, open the Matte Finesse controls and adjust settings like Clean Black, Clean White, and Blur Radius to smooth the edges and refine the key. Adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance settings just below the Qualifier tool until your subject is fully isolated and all grain is completely removed. Once the selection is clean, go back to the edit page to make final adjustment like resizing or repositioning your subject using the inspector panel. And that's it. Now you know how to add a chroma key in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.